Good morning, friends. Welcome to Sigma is YouTube channel. Yesterday we started average topic. Today also we'll discuss average. Yeah, good morning, Kumar. Kumar, welcome to Sigma IAS. Every day we are taking the aptitude classes in Sigma IAS. So please subscribe youtube.com Sigma IAS, our YouTube channel. And yesterday we discussed some questions. So today we'll discuss the remaining questions in average. Remaining questions in average. Good morning, Yamini. Average. What is average? Sum of observations by number of observations. Hi Chandra Rao. Hi Siddharth. Good morning Siddharth. Swarkar. Good morning Sandy. So now, what is average? Sum of observations by number of observations. Okay. So now, yesterday we completed some questions. Now continuation. Next question. Next question. The average salary of next question average. The average salary of all the 100 workers in a workshop is 24,000 rupee. The average salary of technicians is 40,000 rupee, and the average salary of the rest is 20,000 rupee. How many technicians are there in the workshop? So here two methods are there. I will explain the two methods. The first one is a general method. Second one is a shortcut method. So what is general method and what is shortcut method? Once you can see, what is the question? Total 100 workers are there in a workshop. Out of 100 workers, some technicians are there, remaining are other employees. So 100 workers average salary 24,000 rupees. Out of 100 workers, the average salary of technicians, is 40,000 rupees. The average salary of remaining workers is 20,000 rupees. Question is, how many technicians are there? How many technicians are there? Let the number of technicians is X. Let the number of technicians is X. Then other employees, don't take Y. Out of 100 X technicians, the remaining are other employees. Remaining means 100 minus X. 100 minus X. So now, sir, increase the voice. Voice. Now, can you hear my voice? Okay. Now, total, how many technicians are there? X technicians. So, what is the total salary of X technicians? X into their average. X into their average, that is 40,000 rupee. So, technicians' total salary is 40,000 into X, 40,000 X. Then, what is the total salary of remaining employees? So, remaining employees' average salary is 20,000. Remaining employees, 100 minus X employees are there. So 20,000 into 100 is 20 lakh. 20,000 into X is 20 lakh. Minus 20,000 into X is minus 20,000 X. Minus 20,000 X. This is the total salary of 40,000. It is the total salary of technicians. This is the, sir, sorry for the late. Come early. This is the total salary of clerks, other employees. So according to question, the sum of these two numbers is total salary of 100 employees. What is the total salary of 100 employees? 100 into their average 24,000. 100 into 24,000 is 24 lakh. 24 lakh. So now 40,000 x minus 20,000 x is equal to 20,000 x. 20,000 x is equal to, send 20 lakh from left to right. 24 lakh minus 20 lakh is 4 lakh. 4 lakh. Now, cancel the numbers. So, how many zeros are there? 4 zeros. Cancel 4 zeros. 2 ones to 2 20s. Okay. So, 2 20s. This is equal to x. Therefore, x is equal to 20. What is x? Number of technicians. Number of technicians is 20. This is general method. Yeah, very good. Very good, Nani. Your answer is right. So this is the general method. Now the next one is shortcut method. Shortcut method. The method is also known as mixture method or alligation method. So very good, Sai Raman, your answer is right. The next method is a shortcut method. The next one is known as a mixture method or alligation method. So what is mixture or alligation? First write the technician's salary. Technician's average salary is 40,000 rupee. Technician's average salary is 40,000 rupee, and other employees average salary is, what is other employees average salary? 20,000 rupee. 20,000 rupee. Now below and between of these two numbers write the 100 employees total salary, average salary. 100 employees average salary is 24,000 rupee. Now find the cross difference of these two numbers. Difference means always positive. Difference is always positive. 20,000 into 24,000. What is the difference? It is 4,000. Now find the difference between these two numbers. Right here. 40,000 into 24,000. Difference is 16,000. Now find the ratio of these two numbers. Zeros cancel. 4 ones, 4 fours. Therefore, number of technicians is to number of other employees is 1 is to 4. 1 is to 4. Now question is find the number of technicians. Now number of technicians is equal to, its ratio is 1 is to 4. So 1 by 1 plus 4 is 5. 1 by 5 into total, how many employees are there? 100. So 1 by 5 into 100 is 20. Therefore the number of technicians is 20. Number of technicians is 20. This is simple method. This method is known as mixture method or alligation method. So every day I am taking the aptitude classes, so from morning 10 to 10:45 or 10:50. Please inform to your friends also. Please subscribe Sigma IS YouTube channel, and please forward this information to your friends and your friends and relatives. Okay, now the next question is, see, what is the next question? Average weight of, repeat again sir. Where is your doubt? Please tell me. Vijay, where is your doubt? Which one? General method or shortcut method? Vijay. Repeat again, sir. Vijay, what is your doubt? General method or shortcut method? Sir, please repeat the last one, shortcut method. Shortcut method, once again, listen here. What is the question? In a company, in a workshop, total 100 employees are there. In a workshop, total 100 employees are there. 100 employees, average salary is 24,000 rupees. Out of 100 employees, some technicians are there. Technicians average salary 40,000 rupees, and the remaining employees average salary 20,000. Now find the technicians. So how many technicians are there? We don't know. Now the simple method, this method is known as mixture method or alligation method. So now right here, technicians. Below the technicians, write the technicians average salary, that is 40,000 rupees. Technicians average salary 40,000 rupees. Other employees average salary is 20,000 rupees. Below and between of these two numbers, write 100 employees average salary. What is the average salary of 100 employees? 24,000. So this is the average salary of 100 employees. Now find the cross difference. 20,000 and 24,000. Difference means always positive only. So 20 and 24,000, difference is 4,000. And 40,000 into 24,000, difference is 16,000. Difference is 16,000. Now find the ratio of these two numbers. 4,000 is to 16,000. Okay. So 0 zeros cancel. 4 ones, 4 fours. Therefore, number of technicians is to number of other employees is 1 is to 4. Number of technicians is to number of technicians is to number of other employees, 1 is to 4. Number of technicians is equal to 1 part out of 1 plus 4 is 5. So 1 by 5 into total, how many employees are there? 100 employees. So 1 by 5 into 100. 5 1 to 5, 5 20 is 100. Therefore, the number of technicians is 20. If the number of technicians is 20, how many other employees are there? 100 minus 20 is 80. This is the shortcut method. And the general method, let the number of technicians is x. General method, let the number of technicians is x. And out of 100 technicians are x, it means other employees are 100 minus x. Technicians average salary is 40,000 rupees. What is the total salary of technicians? X into 40,000, 40,000 x. This is the total salary of technicians. Now, how many other employees are there? 100 minus x. What is the total salary of 100 minus X other employees? 100 minus X into 20,000. So 20,000, 20 lakh minus 20,000 X is 20,000 X. So this is the total salary of technicians. This is the total salary of technicians plus other employees. Okay. So now find the total of these two numbers. It is equal to total 100 employees salary. Then what is the according to question? What is the total salary of 100 employees? 100 employees are there. 100 employees average salary is 24,000 rupees. 100 employees the total salary 100 into 24,000 24 lakh. Now this is 40,000 x minus 20,000 x is equal to 20,000 x. It is equal to send 20 lakh from left to right. 24 lakh 24 lakh minus 20 lakh is 4 lakh. So simplify x value is equal to 20. When English classes repeat, which English class, Meena? Which English class, Meena? Okay, so the next one, average weight of 20 people increased by 1.5 kg when one person of 50 kg is replaced by a new person. Find the weight of the new man. So total 20 friends are there. Out of 20 friends, one person whose weight is 50 kg is replaced by the new person. One person whose weight is 50 kg is replaced by new person. Then immediately the average weight increased by 1.5 kg. Average increased by 1.5 kg. Then find the weight of the new person. For example, let if the new person weight is also 50 kg. If the weight of the new person is also 50 kg, 50 minus 50 plus, then there is no change. But after entering the new person, the average increased by 1.5 kg. After increasing a new person, the average increased by 1.5 kg. It means no doubt the new person weight is 1.5 kg more than 1.5 kg more than the first person weight. Very good, Vijay. Your answer is right. So, if the new person entered, how many kgs increased? Average means per head. So, how many members are there? 20. So, 20 into 1.5 more than first person's weight. So, what is the new person weight? 20 into 1.5 more than first person's weight. So, it means plus 50. What is 20 into 1.5? 20 into 1 is 20 plus 20 into 0.5 is 10. So that is 10. That is 30. 30 plus 50. 30 plus 50 is 80. Therefore, the new person weight is 80 kg. The new person weight is 80 kg. Okay. Then, Meena, what is your doubt? I cannot understand. Once again, tell me when English classes repeat. Which English class? Next question. The average weight of A and B is 50 kg, B and C is 70 kg, and C and A is 60 kg. Then find the weight of B. Kavya, 81.5 is not right answer, Kavya. 80 kg only. 80 kg only. Okay, now total three members are there, A, B, and C. The average weight of A and B. Sir, replace means subtract. Replace means what is the meaning of replace? Instead of that person, new person entered. Okay. Now the average weight of A and B 50 kg. Average means A plus B by 2. A plus B by 2 is 50 kg. It implies A plus B is equal to A plus B 2 into 50 100 kg. 2 into 50 100 kg. Then the average weight of B and C is 70 kg. B and C 70 kg means B plus C by 2 is 70 kg. So it implies B plus C is equal to 2 into 70 140 kg. and the average weight of C and A 60 kg. C plus A by 2 is equal to 60 kg. So C plus A is equal to 2 into 60, 120 kg. 120 kg. Now find the sum of the three equations. Find the sum of the three equations: A plus B plus B plus C plus C plus A. A plus A 2A, B plus B 2B, C plus C 2C. Take 2 as common. 2 of A plus B plus C is equal to 100, 140, 120, 360. 2 of A plus B plus C, 360. Now what is A plus B plus C? What is A plus B plus C? 360 by 2 is 180 kg. So the sum of these three members' weight is 180 kg. 180 kg. Now what's the question? Find the weight of B. Find the weight of B. Therefore, B's weight is equal to B's weight is equal to the total weight of three members is 180. 180 minus, they are asking about B. So A plus B plus C minus C plus A. What is C plus A? 120. 180 minus 120 is 60 kg. So very good, 60 kg. D is right answer. D is right answer. Very good. So very good Vijay, very good Sai Raman, Venu, Sanjana, Nani, Kavya, Vijay. Very good, your answer is right. Now, for example, now tell me what is A's weight? What is A's weight? A's weight is A plus B plus C minus B plus C. What is B plus C? 140. So 180 minus 140 is 40 kg. What is the C's weight? What is the C's weight? A plus B plus C. 180 minus A plus B. A plus B is 100. So 180 minus 100 is 80 kg. Okay. So now next question. Now some simple formulas. Please remember, I will give some important formulas. Important formulas. Please remember, what is the sum of first 10 natural numbers? Please tell me, what is the sum of first 10 natural numbers? The sum of first 10 natural numbers is equal to n into n plus 1 by 2. The sum of first 10 natural numbers n into n plus 1 by 2. The average of first 10 natural numbers. What is the meaning of average? Sum of observations by number of observations. Number of observations is n. So here by right n, so n cancel. So it means just to cancel, remove the n in numerator. So the sum of first 10 natural numbers is n into n plus 1 by 2. The average of first 10 natural numbers is same formula, but just to cancel one n in numerator. N plus 1 by 2. N plus 1 by 2. So very good Vijay, very good Dilesh. Now, what is the sum of squares of first 10 natural numbers? Please note down the formulas. Please note the formulas. The sum of squares of first 10 natural numbers. N into n plus 1 into 2n plus 1 by 6. N into n plus 1 into 2n plus 1 by 6. Please note the formulas. So n into n plus 1 into 2n plus 1 by 6. This is the sum of squares of first 10 natural numbers. Then what is the average of squares of first 10 natural numbers? Average. Cancel 1 in the numerator. So now its average is the average of squares of first 10 natural numbers. The average of squares of first 10 natural numbers is equal to n plus 1 into 2n plus 1 by 6. This is the average of squares of first 10 natural numbers. Now, what is the cubes of first 10? What is the sum of cubes of first 10 natural numbers? What is the sum of cubes of first 10 natural numbers? This value whole square. Okay. So the sum of first 10 natural numbers is n into n plus 1 by 2. So it's the sum of cubes of first 10 natural numbers. This value whole square. So n square into n plus 1 whole square by 2 square means 4. So the sum of cubes of first 10 natural numbers is equal to n square into n plus 1 whole square by 4. Now what is the average? Cancel one n in numerator. N into n plus 1 whole square by 4. Now, what is the sum of first n odd even numbers? First n even numbers. The sum of first n even numbers is equal to n into n plus 1. N into n plus 1. The average of first n even numbers. Cancel one n. The average of first n even numbers is n plus 1 only. Now, odd numbers. Odd numbers. What is the sum of first 10 odd numbers? The sum of first 10 odd numbers is n square. The average of first 10 odd numbers is n. Please remember these formulas. Okay. So the sum of first 10 odd numbers is n square. The average of first 10 odd numbers is n. Okay. So now I think you know progressions. Tell me, do you know progressions or not? Say yes or no. Progressions. Progressions are three types. One is arithmetic progression, second one is geometric progression, third one is harmonic progression. Now, all geometric and harmonic progressions are not important. At present, only one arithmetic progression is important. So now what is the arithmetic progression? If the common difference is there, then that series is known as arithmetic progression. For example, take natural numbers. For example, take natural numbers. Natural numbers are in arithmetic progression because take difference between any two numbers, always the same. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. It is in natural, these all are natural numbers. So 2 minus 1, 1. 4 minus 3, 1. 5 minus 4, 1. Difference is always the same. Therefore, that is in arithmetic progression. Now, for example, take this one, second one, what we call geometric progression. Okay, geometric progression is a common ratio. Common ratio. So now here, one more important formula. The average of an arithmetic progression is equal to the average of an arithmetic progression is the average of an arithmetic progression is equal to a plus l by 2, where a is the first number, where l is last number, where a is first number, l is last number. Okay, so the average of an arithmetic progression is a plus l by 2. It means the first number plus the last number by 2. Here one more formula is there. In arithmetic progression, if the number of observations are odd, no doubt the middle number is the average. If the number of observations are odd, no doubt the middle number is the average. If the number of observations are even, and its average is average of middle two numbers. Now see the first question. Next question. Find the average of 1, 4, 9, 16, 6, 25. These all are perfect squares. 1 square, 2 square, 3 square, 4 square, 5 square. These all are perfect squares. Okay. So now the average of, tell me the formula. The average of squares of first 10 natural numbers is equal to n plus 1 into 2n plus 1 by 6. The average of, yeah, very good Venu, very good English. A plus A minus D, A plus D, it is in the form of arithmetic progression. And nth term is A plus n minus 1 into D. Very good Venu. Okay, now, so now question is, for the question, these all are perfect squares. The average of squares of first 10 natural numbers n plus 1 into 2n plus 1 by 6. Now what is n value? Is it 625? No, this is not 625. It is not 625. N means how many observations are there? 1 square, 2 square, 3 square, 4 square, up to 25 square. So here how many numbers are there? Only 25 numbers are there. How many numbers are there? 25 numbers. Therefore, now average is equal to 25 plus 1, 26. 2 into n plus 1, 2 into n, 2 into 25 is 50, 50 plus 1 is 51. So 26 plus 51 by 2, very good Sandy, your answer is right. 26 into 51 by 6, 2 3s, 2 13s, 3 1s, 3 1s, 3 17s. 13 into 17 is equal to 17 into 13. What is 17 into 13? Simple method, oral multiplication. 17 tens to 170. 17 3 is 51. 170 plus 51 is 221. Therefore, your answer is B. B is the right answer. B is the right answer. Very good, Sandy. Very good, Venu. Good. Okay. Now tell me one more question. What is the average of? What is the average of? Please tell me 1, 2, 3, 4, dash, 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 100. What is the average of 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, dash, 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 100? These all are natural numbers. These all are natural numbers. Average is equal to n plus 1 by 2. N value 100, 100 plus 1 by 2. 101 by 2. 101 by 2 is equal to 50.5. This is with the formula. And one more formula is there. It is in orthogonal progression. What is the average of an orthogonal progression? First number plus last number by 2. So first number is 1, last number is 100, 1 plus 100, 101. 101 by 2, again you will get same answer 50.5. Now one more question. What is the average of 2, 4, 6, 8, dash, 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 60? Dash, 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 60. These all are even numbers. The average of n first 10 even numbers is equal to n plus 1. But here what is n? What is n means number of observations. But simple formula, please take the, which one? The orthogonal progression formula. So what is the average of an orthogonal progression? First number plus last number by 2. Even numbers are also in orthogonal progression. Therefore, first number 2, last number 60, 2 plus 60 by 2, 62 by 2 is 31. 62 by 2 is 31. Now, what is the average of? It is not 30, it is 31. What is the average of 1, 3, 5, 7, dash, 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 35? 35. Again, it is also in orthogonal progression. First number plus last number by 2. First number plus last number by 2. 1 plus 35 by 2. It is 36 by 2 is 18. It is 18. Next question. The average of 10 numbers is 7. If each number is multiplied by 12, then the average of the new set of the numbers is. Here some observations are there, some numbers are there. How many numbers? 10 numbers. The average of 10 numbers is. The average of 10 numbers is 7. If each number is multiplied by 12, yesterday only we covered some formulas. The average of some observations is P. Yesterday formula. The average of some observations is P. If we multiply with A for each and every number, the average of new observations will become PA. Now, what is the average of new observations? Yeah, 84 is right answer. The average of new observations is 12 into 7. 12 and 7, 84. 84 is right answer. 84 is right answer. Okay. Next one. Madhu has twice as much money as Suresh, and Suresh has 50% more money than what Pawan has. If the average money with them is 110 rupee, then Madhu has. Madhu has. So, for example, let Pawan has X rupee. Let Pawan has X rupee. Suresh has 50% more money than what Pawan has. So, Suresh has 50% more than. 50% more than means let Pawan has 100%. Suresh has 50% more than. So, 150% of 150 by 100 into x. It is equal to 3x by 2. 53 to 52. So, Suresh has 3x by 2. Then Madhu has twice as much money as Suresh. Madhu has double of Suresh. Twice means two times. Two times of Suresh is 3x by 2. Two times of 3x by 2 is 3x. Is 3x. So Pawan has x rupee. Suresh has 3x by 2 rupee. Madhu has 3x rupee. According to question, the average of these three members is 110 rupee. What is the meaning of average? Sum of observations by number of observations. Therefore, x plus 3x by 2 plus 3x. It is the total average is by 3. By 3 is equal to 110. Send the 3 from left to right. 110 into 3. So now take the LCM. The LCM of these three numbers is 2. So denominator is 1. 1 2 is 2. 2 into x 2x. Plus 2 1 2. 1 into 3x is 3x. And 3 denominator is 1. 1 2 is 2. 2 into 3 6x is equal to 330. 2x plus 3x 5x. 5x plus 6 11x. 11x is equal to 2 into 330 660. 11 ones 11 6. 11 ones 11 60. Therefore x is equal to 60. Then question is Madhu has how much? 3x. Madhu has 3x. 3 into 60. Therefore Madhu has 180 rupee. Very good Sanjana Patel, your answer is right. Very good Soy Rahman, your answer is right. Good, very good. Next question. The average marks of 30 students in a class is 60, but a student mark is wrongly noted as 15 instead of 90. Find the correct average marks. Find the correct average marks. The average marks of 30 students. Here two methods are there. I will give the two methods. First method, see here. First method, the average marks of 30 students is 60. Now, the total marks of 30 students. According to teacher calculation, 30 into 60. Yeah, very good, Chandra. Your answer is right. 30 into 60, 1800. But this is not correct to total. This is not correct to total. Now, find the correct total marks of 30 students. From 1800, subtract wrong marks. The teacher, actually the student got 90 marks, but wrongly noted as 15. So subtract wrong marks, then add the correct marks. The correct marks is 90. So it is equal to 1875. 1875. Now the correct average marks of 30 students is equal to 1875 by 30. 36 180. 75 is there. 32 so 60. Remainder 15. Write the decimal after 15. Write 50. So 35 is 150. 62.5. This is one method, and one simple method is there. One shortcut method is there. Less than 10 seconds you can find the answer. The method is, what's the method? The correct average marks is equal to the correct average marks is equal to given average plus correct marks minus wrong marks by number of students. What is the given average? Given average is 60. 60 plus correct marks is 90. Wrong marks is 15. By number of students is 30. So this is equal to 60 plus 90 minus 15, 75. 75 by 30, 2.5. So 62.5. Remember the formula? The correct average marks is equal to given average plus correct marks minus wrong marks by number of students. Correct marks minus wrong marks by number of students. So now, next question. Next question. If A, B, C, D, E are five consecutive odd numbers, their average is. So, A, B, C, D, E are consecutive odd numbers means all odd numbers are in orthogonal progression. What is the average of an orthogonal progression? These are these five numbers are in orthogonal progression. So, its average is equal to A plus first number plus last number by 2. A plus E by 2. It is right answer. And one more answer is there. If the number of observations are odd, number of observations are odd, exactly the middle number is the average. Here A, B, C, D, E, five numbers. Out of five numbers, what is the middle number? C is the middle number. So C is the average. So if A, B, C, D, E are five odd numbers, five consecutive odd numbers, its average is A plus E by 2. Or its average is the middle number C. But out of five options, so this A plus E by 2 is not there and also C is also is not there. Then what is your answer? Tell me. What is your answer? Which one is right answer? Which one is right answer? So, if for example, take five odd numbers 1, 3, 5, 7, 9. 1, 3, 5, 7, 9. So, first number is 1. Compared to first number, what is the second number? Plus 2. Compared to first number, what is the third number? 1 plus 4. Compared to first number, what is the fourth number? 1 plus 6. What is the next number? 1 plus 8. 1 plus 8. So, here, A, B, C, D, E, five numbers are there. A, B, C, D, E, five numbers. Now, write in terms of A, first number A, second number A plus 2, third number A plus 4, fourth number A plus 6, fifth number A plus E. Actually, what is your answer? What is your answer? A plus E by 2. Here A plus E by 2 is not there. And C. Then what is C? C value, you know, A plus 4. C value is A plus 4. Therefore, the average of these five numbers is A plus 4. The average of these five numbers is A plus 4. Okay, so tomorrow we'll discuss the remaining questions in averages. And please pass the information to your friends. Please like the video and share to your friends. Then they will be benefited. Okay, so thank you.